I personally love arguments. Don't get me wrong, okay? But when they lead to some useful lesson or mutual benefit. Last week, I was having a Zoom call with a client, a big company owner from the US. We were trying together to understand his assets profile, the ways he manages his portfolio, and everything useful for the wealth tax to be paid here in Italy. When you file your taxes, the Agenzia delle Entrate wants to know the balance of every bank account, retirement account, investment account at the beginning and at the end of the fiscal year. And this is where we started to discuss what the beginning was, considering Italy and the US have two different tax years. Here we start from January 1st and we close on December 31st, like a calendar year. However, in the US, in Taiwan, and the UK, in so many countries, the tax year goes with different dates. So how can we fix that? Also, what is the math we can use to, apply or to estimate to the average balance or the personal income or the foreign tax credit for taxes withheld abroad? Unfortunately, I cannot address such a complicated matter in a few minutes, but there is an average rule we can definitely share with you. In case of different tax years, we have to shift the foreign one to the Italian one as much as possible, using the end of the foreign one as the end for Italian tax purposes. With a big if it matches with the cash basis principle. For example, if the tax year in country A goes from April to March, and in March, just in March only, the client earns all the money for the work project, this amount will be put in the following tax return. Conversely, if the whole amount is being paid or earned upfront, this will be used just in the current tax return only. Same logic for taxes. As much as you could be very tempted to use all the taxes withheld by your foreign employer, for example, against the Italian one to be paid, what happens if the following year, by filing your taxes in the other country, you get a reimbursement? In this case, you cannot use the full amount, you can just use the net difference. So, I'm going to repeat myself once again. When the 2 years are not the same, when your stream of foreign income and information goes with different rules compared to the Italian ones, filing your taxes in Italy is not that straightforward, it's not that easy. There are issues for the estimate, the amounts, the taxable income, the foreign tax credit, and the currency rate to apply. Worth hiring a tax consultant? It's your call now.